I've already published some videos on this type of carburetor right here, this Briggs & Stratton square plastic carburetor like that. If you missed those videos, I do have some links right underneath of this video in the pinned comment section and in the description if you want to get back to those. Now, on those videos, I have received enough comments where people are saying, Steve, I did what you said on those and I put it all back together and my lawnmower works worse now. It sounds like it's running so rich. It sounds like it's choking itself out. Well, I think I might know what mistake you made on that. No offense to anybody out there, because I made the same mistake twice before I figured this out. I'm just going to pass this information on to you. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Email address is right there if you care to check that out one day. Let's get right into this. These Briggs & Stratton square plastic carburetors are a nightmare for some people. After you're done cleaning that carburetor and everything, you put that cartridge back in again. Some of you are going to see this. Look at that. That choke butterfly does not open all the way. It's stuck at like half choke. It should look like this. It should open freely, all the way closed, all the way open like that. So why is it getting stuck like that? Check this out. When you take this cartridge out like that, and you pop that cartridge out, this little piece right here on the cartridge is what sticks up into the throat of the carburetor, the venturi on there. And what it's going into is a little plastic sleeve in there that can come loose. I'm going to pull this butterfly right out, and I'm going to take that shaft out. You don't have to do this, by the way. I'm just doing this for clarity purposes. Now check that out. Look at that. This little sleeve right there just popped right out. It's loose in there. Now I do have to say, sometimes they're loose in there and sometimes they're quite tight. This is just something you need to pay attention to. What's happening right now is when you take that cartridge out of your carburetor, that's what's holding the sleeve in place. That cartridge right there goes right into that hole and holds that in place like that. When you pull the cartridge out, that little sleeve can move. Now here's the problem. When you're working on the carburetor, you tip it over and that little sleeve pops down towards the choke. And then when you go to put your cartridge back in, it might go like this. That sleeve slides down, and now instead of that going in the hole, it's going behind that like that, and it's holding it now against the choke flap. And your choke can no longer open fully. So there you go. That's just something that you need to pay attention to. You need to be aware that that can happen to you. So before you put that cartridge back in, make sure that little sleeve is in the proper position so that's not going to happen to you. I really hope that helped some of you guys and girls out there. I don't know, that might deserve a thumbs up button right there. Share this with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Absolutely get your comments down right underneath this video in the comment section. Tell me what you thought about this. I think that's a pretty cool tip myself. It took me 2 carburetors to figure that one out. Hey, you want to watch something else right now? Hey, how about if we go back to the original video on cleaning this thing? If you missed that one, right there, click on that right there next. Get back to that video. Till next time, I think I'm done. Cheers. Steve out.